Hello everyone.
Hey, what?
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of fine home craft ales. If you haven't met him before, it's my world famous, soon to be 50 brother, Alan Partridge.
It's no need for that, was it? It's my brewmaster brother, Dave Partridge.
Oh,
Hey,
you're soon to be 50, aren't you?
Yeah. In the middle of a lockdown, eh? Thank God for bubbles, eh?
Thank God for the support bubbles. And I'm supporting your bubble on your birthday, don't you?
And not only does he support me bubble, he support me with beer.
Right, talking of beer, this is what we're here to do today. We're obviously here to review beers, bro.
What we got on today then, bro?
We've got a range of commercial brews. We've got a Bullet Tribute dropped off by my good friend Wayne Dawson.
Ooh.
We've got a Wainwright Gold
Ooh.
from Worcester Hop Shop. We've got XXXB from Worcester Hop Shop. And we've got a kit sent to us by Graham and Natasha from Chester. Elvis Juice.
Lovely people here, isn't it? Natasha Griffith. Richard and Natasha Griffith. Thanks, guys.
Graham.
Yeah.
Graham, not Richard.
Oh, Graham. Your handwriting's atrocious.
So I've been calling Lisa, now he's calling bloody Richard. They were rubbish with names. Sorry.
Hey, yeah. I'll read that again in a minute.
Right.
Right, we start with what you said.
Yeah, we're going to start with Tribute. And we have actually got 4 commercial beers. And the reason why we got into home brewing again is because you could brew a commercial beer and serve it on your own brew bar.
Of course you can.
People are probably in the home brew community going, oh, you just couldn't do the same thing. But commercial beer is successful because it sells.
It sells.
Everybody drinks it.
And there's a reason why it sells.
Because it's good.
Because it's good. So trying to emulate it isn't a bad thing, is it?
Reason why, there's lots and lots of replica kits out.
Oh, it's going to go. It's going to go.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, how about that's outside as well?
Hey. So this is from one of our friends that's started a bit of home brewing, hasn't he?
This is one of our friends. I go there. This is one of our friends, Wayne Dawson. He drunk that much tribute throughout lockdown.
It's a bit lively, and now the dog's getting dripped on.
Yeah, he drunk that much tribute through lockdown. He decided to make some.
Fair enough.
So hence, here we go.
Right,
So he's made some. Brought us a couple of bottles round to try. So, this is only a couple of weeks old,
and who's this kit from? Do we know?
I was just Dark Rock Brewing again.
It's Dark Rock Brewing again.
But he wanted us to try it, see what we think. So I said, gladly.
Of course. So he's only had it conditioned a couple of weeks.
Yes, it's only been in there a couple of weeks.
You can probably tell that, I think, a little bit there.
Now, I do say condition and then condition and then condition again. Yeah. I do like to leave my beers a minimum of 4 weeks. The kit does say warm for a week, 2 weeks to condition. So this is over 2 weeks.
It smells nice. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, straight in.
Straight in. Tell you what.
That's not bad.
That's not bad after 2 weeks, is it?
That's not bad at all, actually.
He's cracked it first time, well done, Wayne.
Well done, Wayne. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. That's all right.
That's a good line to tribute, isn't it? Oh, that's it.
It could do just probably, like you say, a little bit longer to clear.
Yeah.
And it's got a bit of life to it.
Yeah, well, it's obviously bottled, so it's obviously dropped some sugar or carbonating drops in there, so you get a bit more fizz. So it's a bit more.
That's damn good.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Well done, Wayne.
Yeah, right, we're going to wait after the lockdown
now then. He did use spring water out of, you go down the shop and buy bought water rather than out tap. Yeah,
the water around here out of taps isn't great, is it? It runs over a lot of lime rock around here, so it can be. I'll tell you what, that's a cracking beer.
That's a cracking beer. It's definitely 10 out of 10. Well done for the first time.
Well done, Wayne.
Well done.
Right then. Okay, moving on to next beer.
Well, now we're going across now to the Worcester Hop Shop.
Right, yeah, I've not got no boxes this week either.
No, it's all grain kits. In fact, these next beers are all grain. Obviously, the Tribute was part grain. Worcester Hop Shop do a range of clone beers. Some of them out of the Grain Wheeler book. You got the Grain Wheeler book?
Well, I've got the Grain Wheeler book. I've got that. So, if you're not familiar with it, we've got the Cameras Brew Your Own British Real Ale Grain Wheeler.
Yeah. So
that looks like that. If you can see that over there, folks.
So it does a range of recipes out of that book.
Yeah.
And as you can see, if you look in the back of that book, there's loads of recipes. Also does some other recipes as well. Lots and lots of clone recipes there.
Wow.
And at a cracking price.
Yeah.
$13.99.
It's truth.
All your grain, all weighed out. All your little separate items, all weighed out.
Still brews 40 pints?
Still brews 40 pints.
Marvellous. Fantastic. What's it like?
Let's give it a go.
Okie dokie.
Again, now I've had this in the barrel.
Oh, actually, I've got a bit of blurb here about that.
Yeah, here you go. From the Worcester Hop Shop.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, Wainwright's Gold. 23 litre style recipe kit. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's got all your pale malts in it, your wheat malts, flake oats, your rye malt.
Yeah. And they all come weighed out separate as well as the ops label.
Your instructions, everything you want on that little piece of paper there. I suppose you just printed that off, did you, bro?
No, it come with it.
Oh, come with it, did it?
Come in the bag.
Oh, yeah, all the instructions and everything.
Yeah.
That's cracking.
Cool. Cracking. So if you're getting into all grain, want some easy instructions to follow, want to brew a clone recipe, go there. And
I can see you through that, bro. It's crystal.
and it's a cracking price.
I don't know if you can see that on camera. That's lovely. Crystal clear.
Again, not too much of a nose to it there, but Wainwright Gold doesn't it? There's just a nice
little citrus nose to it.
Citrus well. Yeah.
It's quite nice though. We're
going
going
in.
Yeah, I'm going in. Cheers. Oh, that's nice.
That's bang on the money.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's bang on the money. That's definitely a 10 out of 10.
That's straight in with 10 out of 10. That it's very. As soon as you finished, you want another slurp of it, don't you?
Yeah, and that's Wainwright Gold. Wainwright Gold happens to be one of my wife's favourite beers. Drinks it whenever we go on holiday in that part of Yorkshire. So,
yes.
Yeah. And that is.
Oh, that's lovely.
That's lovely.
It's lovely. Yeah, well, that's 10 out of 10. I can't really say more.
Fantastic. I would have said exactly how I remember drinking Wainwright Gold, to be fair.
Yeah, yeah. We can still get it.
I can still get it. And obviously, we haven't got round to comparing to a can. I was only drinking it a couple of weeks back, so I do know what it tastes like.
Yeah, I think I had a bottle last weekend, so yeah, that's fantastic. It's 10 out of 10 for me.
Definitely a 10 out of 10. Good one from Worcester Hop Shop and a fantastic price.
2 beers, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
It's going well.
It's getting well in Dog and Partridge. Yeah.
What's next?
Bateman's XXXB.
Ooh, dear.
Now, from being in Lincolnshire, we are a fan of Batemans.
I am, but I've never really been a big fan of XXXB. It's a dark, heavy beer for me. You know, you've got to be in a right mood, and that's when you've not eaten anything. Because it'll fill you right up.
Personally, I think it has changed over the years. So I don't know how Graham Wheeler's based his recipe on, but for me personally, XXXB was once 4.8. They downbrewed it to 4.5. And it did change flavour slightly. It stopped being so heavy.
It stopped being smacking your mouth strong. It was tasting strong, wasn't it? Right.
That being said, no, sir.
Oh.
That's yours in a Bateman's XXXB glass.
Oh, I've got XXXB glass, all right. Woohoo.
And as you can see,
it's well, I say it's dark. You get it in the right line. It's kind of like a red beer. It's a dark red beer.
Yeah. And it is supposed to be a pale ale, though.
What, XXXB?
Yeah, it says on it. It's pale ale. You get the new bottles, it says pale ale.
Well, does it really?
Yeah.
Never been pale. There's not a lot of those going on.
For me, there is, I can smell a strong, malty, coffee kind of nose.
Yeah, it's got those hints. There's no punchy, super punchy nose to it, is there?
No.
Yeah, it's got that smoothness, caramelly sort of, yeah.
Again, this is from Worcester Hop Shop. This is out of Graham Wheeler's book. So we're going to be judging his recipe as well as the kit from Worcester Hop Shop.
Okay. Similar sort of price?
Yeah, similar sort of price, $12.39, something like that. Really nice and cheap.
It's the right colour. Let's go in.
Let's go in.
Yes.
For me, no.
Yeah, I didn't mean yes. I meant yes. Because that's not XXXB.
That's not XXXB by a long chalk. Not even having the bottle in here, I can tell you now that's not XXXB. There's nothing wrong with this beer. It's a dark, rich, fruity beer. Probably just something you drink in the winter by the side of a fire. It's almost a Christmas.
If you went into any sort of micro pub or brewery and said, yes, I'll have that X dark beer over there, you'd drink that and you'd be happy with it. But if it's trying to be XXXB, then it's not. But it is a reasonably good dark beer.
But just not what you expected.
I can already tell me if you see me eat, it's just like, oh, it drags you down, dark beer.
Straight to my stomach.
Yeah. Want something light and refreshing. Maybe, if that's the sort of beer you like, if you like dark beer, then...
Well, there is people out there that like dark beers, and yeah, I like a dark beer every now and again. Just to stop, that onslaught of golden beer.
If I'm going to have a dark beer, I quite like a sweet dark beer, like a Hobgoblin or a Guinness.
Oh, I think that is. I think that's got a sweet, rich, raisiny background to it.
No, you're wrong.
I'm never wrong. This is my bar. I am never wrong.
Oh, I think he's right, because it's my birthday soon.
Yeah, I mean, for me, a drinkable beer, not a 10 out of 10.
It's drinkable beer, it's about a 7 or an 8 for me, sort of thing, because it's all right.
8.
It's an 8.
Actually, the more I'll get of that.
I'm not sure.
Unless I'm sure. I've slipped to a 7 again.
Yeah. It's still full enough, so
I can see me not drinking that, to be fair.
Oh, you're going to struggle to get it past me, bro. It has to be said. So, hang on a minute. That's 3 beers. Yeah. We're going to 4th?
We're going to 4th, yes.
Screwed.
Just getting back to Bateman XXXB and dark beers. Back in the day, back in the day, can you remember when beer was a bit too strong and a bit too there?
Yes.
You used to get a bottle of light.
You did.
And you said that's what that could do with. You could do with a bottle of light in it. Light and bitter.
Oh, we're going back to wheel tappers and shunters now, aren't we? I mean,
I'm kicking the place apart.
Well, I didn't know about that.
Right, okay. Some lovely people from Chester sent us their favourite kit from Burnley Homebrew. Burnley Homebrew is over near Blackburn, I reckon.
This is from a lovely couple. I'll get it right this time. It's from Graham and Natasha Griffiths.
Yeah.
And they sent us this kit, and it's Elvis Juice, basically.
Instead of sending me a bowl, they sent me a kit to make, so I made it myself.
Wow.
Yeah.
Very kind of you people. Thank you very much.
Very much indeed.
Yeah. So it's from Burnley Homebrew. They do not advertise it.
Oh, yeah, do not advertise it. So
it's only on request.
It's only on request.
And it's the best brew, personally, Graham has ever made. I really like it. Thanks very much, Pete.
So again, all grain kit. Came, I think she said it was 23, 25 quid. All the grains, and she's wrote the instructions out for me again, because the Burnley Homebrew's instructions were a little bit vague. Again,
price £23. You are right.
Again, done in my brew day. It takes about 3-4 hours to make.
Cool.
Gives you
Elvis Juice.
Elvis Juice.
Woohoo!
We are still allowed to call it Elvis Juice, I think.
Oh, you're
Obviously by Brewdog originally.
Looking forward to this one.
There's a good punch of grapefruit in the background already before you get it anywhere near.
It's not just grapefruit, is it? There's citrusy, refreshing, just everything you want from the beer. Well, everything I want from the beer anyway. Let's put it like that. Well, I'm going in.
You want in?
I'm going in.
All right.
Cheers.
That's like the amber nectars of the gods.
I'll fill it up.
That's, light, refreshing. There's a good crispness from the grapefruit coming through just to dry the back of the tongue. And the balance of it.
That's one of the best beers I've ever had.
Yeah, it's amazing.
That is a fantastic beer. Thanks, guys.
10 out of 10.
Oh, without a shadow of a doubt. I could drink that all day long.
Good, because it's only about 6%.
Oh dear. You know what? That does not taste like 6%
Well,
beer.
that's actually Elvis Juice. I think in bottles is around about 6.5. I think the kit didn't actually brew for me that strong, but it's still in the high fives.
Okay, but it doesn't taste like that, does it?
No.
It tastes a very quaffable, just nice beer.
Very quaffable.
Oh dear.
And again, the palate
falling over after a few of them then.
The palate's being dried out. Yes, definitely. The palate's being dried out. Just you just want to.
Oh, it's lovely. Yeah, cracking.
Cracking.
Well, there you go.
Cracking. So yeah, if you do have any beers you want us to try,
lovely.
Drop them round.
Just send us them. It's fine.
Have a try them.
Have a try.
That's what we do. Tell us a bit about your kit and where you got it from and all the rest of the business. And we're glad to try them.
Yes, well, thank you. Yes, thank you very much. That was brilliant. That was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Someone just carry on drinking that.
Yeah. Is that it for tonight then, bro? Or have we got?
That's it for tonight's instalment of the beer tasting from the Dog and Partridge. Of course, coming up next time, bro.
Here we go. It is the point where he tries to make me read what's over there. Dark Rock Screaming Eagle.
Mm-hmm.
That's not how you spell eagle.
Probably not.
Okay. Worcestershire Hop Shop, Dead Pony Club. Ooh, that name rings a bell. I'm sure you told me about
That's
that.
another Brewdog one.
It is. Okay, Dark Farm Pale Ale.
And Dart Farm, that's a new one.
Oh, I've heard of them before.
Now, Dart Farm do a range of mini kegs.
Okay.
And they did sell quite a lot of hops. Just recently, over lockdown, they've put a range of beer kits together.
Ooh.
So I've ordered some.
Ooh.
They're here. They're on next.
Come on. No kits. Lovely. Right. Anything else, bro?
That's about it, really. If you are watching on YouTube, please subscribe. And if you are watching on Facebook, please head over to YouTube and subscribe. It's very much appreciated. Thank you for your very kind comments on YouTube. I do try to reply to everybody. It's much appreciated. Yeah. So I think that's about it, bro. So
I think that's about it, bro, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a goodbye from him.
And it's a goodbye from him.
Toodaloo.
Cheers.